Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the permanent faculty recruitment for the post of assistant professor, associate professor and professor. Okay. So before going to discuss about this notification in detail, please subscribe to my channel for further such kind of information. Now you can see on the screen name of the department, requirement for professor, associate professor and assistant professor according to the reservation category. So for the engineering branch, we will see name of the department here they have given: aerospace engineering, civil engineering, CSE, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, production and industrial engineering, metallurgical and materials engineering. And for the applied sciences, they have mentioned mathematics, physics, chemistry. And for humanities and management, here they have mentioned Center for Management and Humanities. See your department and you can apply here because this is permanent recruitment, and here they will provide you pay according to the pay scale salary. Okay, and what will be the pay scale I will show you. So now we will see the qualification and experience. So here you can see for the professor they will provide you salary according to pay level 14, and the salary will be 1,44,200, and essential qualification will be PhD degree in the relevant field and first class or equivalent at bachelor's and master level in the relevant branch, and minimum of 10 years of experience here they have mentioned in teaching research industry, out of which at least 3 years shall be at a post equivalent of that of an associate professor, and at least 6 research publication at the level of associate professor in ACI journals or UGC AICT approved list of journals, and at least 2 successful PhD guided as supervisor, co-supervisor till the date of eligibility and promotion. So this is the qualification for professor. Or they have also mentioned here at least 10 research publication at the level of associate professor in SCI journals or UGC or AICT approved list of journals till the date of eligibility of the promotion. Here desirable qualification they have mentioned here, you can see. Now we will see for associate professor. So here for the associate professor, they are providing academic level 13A1, and entry pay is rupees 1,31,400 in all relevant discipline. And essential qualification should be PhD degree in the relevant field and first class or equivalent at bachelor's or master degree. A minimum of 8 years experience in teaching, research or industry, out of which at least 2 years shall be post PhD experience. And here they have mentioned how many publications should have. So 6 research publication in SCI journals is required here, either in SCI journals or UGC AICT approved journals. Okay, some desirable qualification they have mentioned, you can read it. Now we will see assistant professor at academic level 10, entry pay level rupees 57,700 in engineering branch. So here essential qualification is PhD in relevant discipline with first class in both master degree and bachelor degree is required here. And in case of metallurgical and materials engineering, the candidate with the specialization attached at annexure 1 at point number 7 may also be considered. Some desirable qualification they have mentioned here, you can read it. And note they have mentioned here, candidates who have done PhD after the bachelor degree from institution of national importance with GATE, GPAT, seed shall be eligible for the post of assistant professor. In the Department of Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry and Humanities and Management, they are providing 57,700 according to academic level 10, and the requirement here essential qualification is PhD in the relevant discipline with first class in both master degree and bachelor degree. Okay, and beside fulfilling the above qualification, the candidate must have cleared the national eligibility test conducted by the UGC or the CSIR or a similar test accredited by the UGC like SLET or SET. So here they have given some regulation. According to this regulation, the candidate who have completed their PhD degree in this regulation, they will be exempted from the NET, SLET or SET examination. If you have completed your PhD according to 2009 or 16 regulation, then you will be exempted from the NET, SLET or SET. Okay. Now here some information they have mentioned. You can see all the details. Okay, and note they have given NET, SLET, SET shall also not be required for such master degree programs in disciplines for which NET, SLET or SET is not conducted by the UGC, CSIR or similar test accredited by the UGC like SLET or SET. Okay. So here they have given degrees in the following relevant branch specialization at BE Tech, MEM Tech and PhD level for various departments are required from the applicant. So departments, background and PhD or preferred areas specialization they have mentioned here. You can read all the information thoroughly before applying here. If you belong to any category, then you should apply here because this is permanent recruitment. Okay, here the notification is from Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh, which is a deemed university. Okay, so here you can see the last date for receipt of application is 11th of July 2022 up to 5 p.m. Okay, and the application has been already started from 11th of June 2022, and so you have sufficient time till now. You can apply here if you are interested. Okay, so how you have to apply? You have to visit the official website of Punjab Engineering College. This is the official website of Punjab Engineering College. Here you can see the last date of receipt of application is 11th July up to 5 p.m. and online registration process has been already started on 13 June 2022. And here you can see information brought on this link. You can apply here. So I am clicking here, and now you can see such kind of portal will open. Okay, and here you can see date, brochure, registration and login. So if you are interested for registration first, then you have to visit here and you have to fill all the details according to the requirement. Okay, so I hope this information will be helpful for you. I will put this notification and the link of this website in the description box. You can go through that, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much.